The classical period started at 1750 and finished in 1820. The origin of the name classical comes from the European style of art and architecture known as neoclassicism.
The musical characteristics of this period are pleasing harmony, straightforward melody, simplicity, and more spontaneous and emotional musical expressions.
What was the Viennese school? Group of musicians that lived in the same city. They worked together and helped each other. What does it mean the patronage system was replaced by the public concerts? When the Baroque died, the composers had more freedom of choice in composition, inspiration, and form.
What happened with the orchestra in the classical period? The string and the wind instruments were regarded as equal in terms of playing the melody as well as supplying harmony.
Which instrument was built in this period? Why is it important? It was built the pianoforte. Piano. It was important because it supplanted previous instruments and was capable of a wider range of dynamics than those early instruments.
Symphony is the largest scale instrument composition played by an orchestra.
String quartet is formed by 2 violins, 1 viola, and 1 cello. It consists of 4 movements: fast, slow, minuet, and fast.
Classical sonata is a dance music style that has drama and complexity. It's usually played by piano. 1770 to 1827. Born in Bonn, composer and pianist. Beethoven's early accomplishments as a composer built on the Viennese classical tradition. He began to lose his hearing at the age of 26. At 1814, he had gone completely deaf. Compositions: 9 symphonies, 5 piano concertos, 32 piano sonatas, and more. 1756 to 1791. Born in Salzburg, Australia. Composer, keyboard player, violinist and conductor. Child prodigy. First symphony at 12 and first opera at 14. He moved to Vienna at 1781. His career began to decline in 1786. He wrote more than 600 compositions.
1766 to 1791. Born in Austria but he lived in Vienna. Known as father of the symphony, 1761 he was hired as a director where he served Prince Nicholas for almost 2 decades. Most famous of his compositions were written in London.
Period, classical, title, Eine kleine Nachtmusik, composer, Mozart, instruments, 2 violins, 1 cello and 1 viola, form, string quartet, characteristics, his quartets consisted of 4 movements, fast, slow, minute and fast. Classical, title, 80 Symphony, composer, Haydn, instruments, string instruments, form, symphony, characteristics, large scale, instrumental composition, usually in 4 movements. In classical periods, opens with an allegro movement. Period, classical, title, Für Elise, composer, Beethoven, instruments, piano, form, piano sonata, characteristic, divided into 3 or 4 movements, slow, fast, fast.